Meaning of gullible.
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 Gullible. Gullible refers to a person who is easily deceived or fooled. They are often naive and lack critical thinking skills, making them vulnerable to scams, hoaxes, and other forms of trickery. A gullible person may believe anything they are told without question, and are often taken advantage of by others. It is important to develop critical thinking skills and question information before accepting it as true in order to avoid being gullible. Being aware of potential scams and researching information can also help protect against being deceived.